This video provides a step-by-step guide to a fully local agentic workspace, combining Gemma 4 and Ollama to offer free Claude Code capabilities. We're looking at the future of local coding. We are unlocking pro features for free by bridging the gap between world-class agentic coding tools and open-weights models. You will learn to bypass expensive subscriptions and keep your code 100% private using Google's newest Gemma 4 model. Why build a local AI setup? The benefits include zero costs, absolute privacy for sensitive data, and infinite context, eliminating daily limits and throttled message caps. Gemma 4 is Google's newest open-weight model family, optimized for local execution. It features a massive 256K context, multimodal capabilities for vision and audio, and a permissive Apache 2.0 license for all your projects. Meet Ollama, the engine for running large language models locally on various operating systems. It offers single command installations, automatic GPU acceleration, and a simple API mimicking industry standards. Claude Code is an agentic CLI tool that can read and write code files, execute terminal commands for tests, research bugs, and autonomously complete tasks. We're bringing this functionality locally. Review the system hardware requirements for this setup. Key components include a GPU with 8 GB plus VRAM, 16 GB plus of unified memory or RAM, and 20 GB of SSD space for the models. The necessary software dependencies are Node.js version 18 plus for the Claude Code CLI tool, Python 3.10 plus for light LLM and helper scripts, and Git for tracking file changes and diffs. Step 1 is to install Ollama. Linux and macOS users can use the provided curl command. Windows users should download the setup from ollama.com. Verify the installation by running --Ollama, version --. Step 2 is to pull Gemma 4. You can choose from 4B, 12B, or 27B sizes depending on your needs. The 12B model is recommended for the best balance of speed and intelligence. Step 3. Verify inference. Run the model using --Ollama run Gemma 4 12B and ask it to write a simple Python script. Rapid text streaming confirms your GPU acceleration is working. Step 4. Install Claude Code. It's distributed as a global NPM package. Use the command --npm install -g at anthropic-ai/claude-code --. Note that some systems may require --sudo or administrator privileges. The API bridge is necessary because Claude Code is hard-coded for Anthropic's cloud servers. We perform an API hijack to redirect traffic, allowing Claude Code to use any model that follows the standard protocol. Step 5. Configure your environment. Set the Anthropic_base_URL to localhost 11,434 and the Anthropic_API_key to Ollama in your shell configuration file. Ollama is a dummy key, as no actual key is needed locally. Method A is the quick launch. Ollama has built-in integration for Claude Code. Simply use the specialized launch command, --Ollama launch Claude, model Gemma 412B --. This automates the setup and links the model session directly. Method B is manual control. If you prefer a standard workflow, run the command shown, ensuring the Anthropic base URL points to your local Ollama instance. This method offers flexibility for custom ports and debugging connections. The first time you run Claude Code in a folder, it initializes. It scans your .gitignore, builds a local dependency graph, and asks for necessary read/write file permissions to operate as an agent. The agentic handshake occurs when Claude Code asks for permission before executing commands, like running npm test. Since you are running Gemma 4 locally, the risk is lower, but always review the commands. A key feature is deep research. When asked to explain a complex flow, Claude Code uses Gemma 4 to analyze multiple files, check imports, and provide a comprehensive architectural map of your project. Auto-refactoring is another powerful feature. For a command like converting components, the process involves scanning files, generating diffs, applying changes, and automatically running tests to verify the refactoring. Instant testing allows you to create and run unit tests on demand. Gemma 4 detects your test runner, writes the test file, executes the CLI command, and even fixes the code if tests fail. Gemma 4's massive context window is critical. For optimal performance in Ollama, configure your model file to set num_CTX to 64,000 or 128,000 tokens, allowing the model to process your entire codebase. Gemma 4 provides a significant performance boost through multi-token prediction, which allows for faster local inference. Ollama automatically leverages this, offering cloud-like speed on consumer hardware. This local setup ensures maximum security with a zero-trust environment. Your data is not used for training. It works behind corporate firewalls, and no telemetry is sent to third parties. You can customize the agent's behavior by adding a _cloudecode.json file to your root directory. Gemma 4 will follow the system prompt with high fidelity, matching your team's style guides. If you experience slow speeds, check your RAM and VRAM usage. USEQ4_K_M for the best speed-to-quality ratio, and ensure model layers are properly offloaded to your GPU, particularly in Linux environments. We review common setup errors, including issues with Ollama not running, API keys, or version mismatches. Ensure you follow all steps precisely for a smooth experience. For massive codebases, Claude Code may struggle if it indexes too many files. Use a _.cloudeignore file to exclude artifacts, logs, and legacy files to keep the context focused and performance high. In quick revision, remember the 3 steps. Install Ollama and Gemma 4. Install the Claude Code agent via npm and set the local bridge environment variable. Now, run _Ollama launch Claude and start coding. You now have a world-class, private, and free AI coding assistant. Go build something amazing with Gemma 4.